come down, down from your ivory tower, you would see how it really must be to be like me, to see like me, to feel like me.
Definitely. We want to talk to the governor, and this young lady wants to know where she can go to get protection in the courtrooms themselves as a citizen. Is there anywhere that a citizen can go who is beset upon in a courtroom to get protection?
Well, I mean, you'd want to contact an attorney. You'd need an attorney to represent you.
No, she doesn't need an attorney. She needs someone to file charges against criminals who are acting under color of law.
Contact the police, and it would be up to the district attorney in that area whether they would want to go ahead.
But the district attorney is part of it.
The district attorney is part of the problem.
That's an elected individual.
We just want to go to a higher level.
Well, I mean, it's not as though the district attorney has a boss. I mean,
So there's no avenue for citizens who are bullied and, you know.
Does the governor care if citizens are beset upon in the courtroom by sheriff's deputies, judges, and
obviously
district
the
attorneys?
governor would care, but you're asking what he can and cannot do from a legal standpoint.
We'd
And
like
I'm
somebody
telling you,
to tell us where to
legal
go.
standpoint. I mean, if there's corruption and things being done illegally, that would be investigated by the Attorney General's office. Can you?
When you come down from your ivory tower.
Camera's not allowed in there at all, even if it's off?
Yeah, you can't bring cameras, there's no camera.
What about cell phones with cameras?
Yeah, people bring cell phones with cameras.
Then what's the difference?
I don't know, you have to talk to someone else.
Who do I talk to about that?
The press secretary for DGS.
Where can I find the press secretary for DPS?
You know, I'm not sure what the phone number is, but they're in the north office building.
Okay.
All right?
But phones are allowed in, cell phones.
Yes.
Oh, he won't talk to you, man. He said he won't talk to you. Will you at least take a DVD? He won't talk to you.
Can they take
Business is done.
Can they take a DVD of our report of corruption in Berks County courthouses?
Excuse me.
This young lady right here. Point it down. He doesn't order you to tell you where the camera. Hey, you guys,
Hey, come on.
dude,
This is down here.
you're out of hand, buddy. We're gonna find you on camera. You can tell us that you won't do anything. It's okay, buddy. Absolute joke. Won't do anything. Won't go on camera and tell you that he won't do anything either. He's a wuss. Attorney General, 4 of them in suits and ties to make sure they're safe. The sick people, we got to cut the money from these people. We got to cut their funding. Too many people sitting around in suits and ties taking long lunches who don't care what happens to citizens in the courtrooms. What'd you think, Bill?
Well, we met with Greg Soop,
Rob
who
Soop,
is an
right?
investigator with the Attorney General's office, and he had indicated to us that if their office was made aware of intimidation of witnesses in a common pleas court, complicited by the district attorney's office, that they would have no jurisdiction to even consider or investigate that. I was surprised by that answer, and I would have to do some research. That certainly seems out of the ordinary to me. However, it may be true.
He, would you say he tried to dismiss you as soon as possible?
Well, he was not interested in listening at any great length, stood up and said the appointment was over and walked out.
And then suggested you get me out of there pretty quick.
I don't recall that part, but I know he was anxious in getting you out of there.
Daddy Justice.
Hey, Ben.
D-A-D-D-Y Justice.
Both him.
Here you go.
Both him and the
Who are you,
other
sir?
guy just broke the criminal.
That's yourself and say, they need to warn for him. wanted him to
You'd love him to be in a set of cuffs? Is that what you said?
That's if he has a warrant against him.
And what's your name?
What's your name?
What is your name, sir? My name is Bennett J. Vonderhyde,
You have some ID
investigative
too?
reporter.
Let me see some ID, sir.
What is your name, sir?
I would like to see some ID.
Then you identify who you are.
My name is Corporal Arrow.
Corporal Arrow, and what service, what department are you with, Corporal?
Pennsylvania State Police. Can I see some ID?
Oh,
please?
Pennsylvania State Police, you betcha. You guys, instead of being outraged by that, shut back, let them shut the door.
What, am I doing something that I don't like?
Shut the door. That's great. That's what we wanted to see. The governor's office shutting the door.
Why?
On this woman right here,
Why?
trying to report a crime.
I'm trying to report a crime that took place in Berks County Courthouse. Why can't we get anyone to listen?
You'd love him to be in a set of cuffs? Is that what you said?
From your ivory tower, oh, you will see how it really must be
What is your name, sir?
to be like me.